This video is all about how I make one of my favorite cheap dinner ideas. It is so easy. It's only 3 ingredients and it tastes so good, and then you can make it with some easy sides. I promise you, it is delicious.
I'm Sophia Lee. I'm a recent college graduate who is obsessed with turning her first apartment into a home. I'm taking you along with me and showing you my best decorating ideas, organization tips, and cleaning hacks so that you can make your apartment look Pinterest perfect while sticking to a budget. I'm here to help you turn your apartment into a place you will love.
Okay, so usually my game plan for this dinner is I have the Panko chicken, which is only 3 ingredients, not including salt and pepper, but I'm just gonna assume you have salt and pepper. And then I am going to serve it with some of this 100% vegetable pasta, which is the best stuff in the entire world, and I'll just microwave that. And then I'll also do like a side of broccoli that I also just microwave. So it's so easy, and it's really fast, and it really is a cheap dinner idea. So the first thing you do is I get chicken breast. You can also do chicken tenders, and I clean it off and it's sitting there. And then I just like chicken breast better, so that's why I'm using chicken breast instead of chicken tenders, but they both would work. And then I just cut it into like chicken tender slices. So I'll just do like a little bit like that and like that. And then I use 2 chicken breasts because I like to have leftovers so that I can eat it another day, since it's just me here. Okay, so that's what I do. I cut my chicken like this. Okay, now that you have your appetizing chicken, your chicken cut up, you are gonna get 2 bowls, and you want the bowls, well actually you really only need, well, we'll bring 2 bowls. Let's see how I decide to do this. I sometimes do it in different ways. I think I'm gonna go with the messy way for today because this is how I usually do it. So you're gonna get some Panko breadcrumbs. You can also use regular breadcrumbs. I love Panko breadcrumbs because it's crunchier, and I just like it better than regular breadcrumbs. And this one has seasoning already on it. And then you put that there. That was kind of an aggressive amount. And then I'm gonna put some salt and pepper in it too. And since that's already pre-seasoned, like you really don't probably, I'm sure it has salt and pepper already in it. Actually, I would like bet money that it already has it, but I like my salt and pepper, so we're gonna add a little more into it. And then, this gets kind of gross, but I promise you it's so good. So, then you take some barbecue sauce, and you are going to, your hands are gonna get really messy, but let's just combine all of this, okay. And then what you're gonna do is, this one has like a hanger, whatever. You are going to take some of that barbecue sauce and drizzle it over top, and then get a spoon, which I should have already had out, but you get a spoon and you smear this barbecue sauce all over it. I swear this is like so good. It looks disgusting, but it's really one of my favorite meals. My mom used to make it for us growing up, and I would ask for it all the time, and I still make it all the time. Okay, so then you take your barbecue chicken and you put it in the Panko mixture. And the barbecue chicken is like basically a binding agent for this. And then you get it all around so it's like really pankoed up. I like my stuff really pankoed up, if you can't tell. And then you're gonna bring it to a dish just like that. And then we're gonna repeat the process with all of the chicken breasts. And I just touched it, so I'm gonna wash my hands and then redo it, but usually you can do it with one hand and it's really easy. So repeat the process. Okay, now I've put barbecue sauce on them and breaded all the chicken, and it looks so good. No, I'm just kidding. I know it looks kind of nasty, but I put it into the oven at 425 degrees for 22-ish minutes. So put it in for 22 minutes. Because these are thinner pieces, they can go in for a little less. Like usually I put my chicken breast in for 25 minutes. These can do 22 minutes, but take one out and cut it open just to make sure it's fully cooked. And then while that's cooking, I will throw in this pasta and then some of the broccoli, and I'll just do a little bit of this pasta, like 3 strips of this, and then some of the broccoli, and I'll save the rest of it in a container. And then I have dinners for like 4 nights, and it is just such a cheap dinner idea, and it's probably not the healthiest meal in the world for you, but it's also like not bad by any means. So this is one of my go-to college meals, and in my first apartment here, I make this all the time. Okay, the chicken just finished, and I want to say we were right around the 22-minute mark. There, come. My friend's videotaping me. Oh, look at how good that looks. Good. Then, okay. Then the broccoli just finished cooking, and I heated up the vegetable pasta, so we'll get it plated, and then you're done. So that wraps up this video where I showed you how to make one of my favorite cheap dinner ideas, and this barbecue panko chicken is seriously so good. I can promise you that you'll like it, and you may already have all the ingredients at your house or your apartment or wherever you're living already. For more apartment decorating ideas, cleaning tips, organization hacks, and easy recipe ideas, follow me on Instagram at @BySophiaLee or subscribe to my channel.